I did it. I moved to BC 308 days ago. That's 10 months and 4 days. I packed up everything I had, put my car on a train, and moved to a place where I had no friends or family, well, except Courtney, and a place I had never been, with no job, and for no reason other than adventure. And really the only one ambition I had was just to do what made me happy. A couple months after I moved here, I met Carlo and Derek, who were my bosses, and I can't thank them enough because they didn't just welcome me into life here, but they welcomed me to their families. Like, how many bosses do you have where you actually wanted to go in for a beer after a day's work, not just because you felt you had to because they were your boss, but because you actually enjoyed their company? I had 8,000 subscribers when I moved here to BC, and my bosses supported me from day one. They loved the idea of me making videos and doing something I was truly passionate about. And over the 8 months I worked for them, I saw a tremendous amount of growth on my channel, and I can really only say thank you to them because they were always willing to work with me to make sure I got the time I needed to balance YouTube and work as my YouTube started to grow. And now 8 months and 80,000 subscribers later, after getting to the point where YouTube asks for basically all of my time and leaves me with little for anything else, I'm finally able to give my keys back, have one last beer, and start my new job. YouTube. So yeah, that really just happened. I really did just quit my job for this. I felt like this kind of style video was necessary because this is how I used to do all my videos. I used to just do driving in-car vlogs, talking to you guys, and that's how I got into this, was just trying to break through in this way, because I find this is a little bit more personal and easier to talk to you guys. It's not so boring because at least I'm driving around. I don't know. This is how I got into it, and I feel like this is a perfect way to do this video. It's special to me that I quit my job for YouTube, which is now my job, but I quit like a real job, as your grandparents would tell you, for something that is a lot of people consider not a real job. And it's really special to me, and it means a lot to me because growing up, I played a lot of sports, I did a lot of things, and for instance, I played hockey, and I was always good at hockey. Was I great at hockey? No, but I was good at hockey. I worked my way up a little bit into like the levels of hockey. I don't know if level systems are the same like all over the world, but I worked my way up into the point where it wasn't like just for fun, it was like a little bit competitive. And to tell you the truth, I was like, you know what, like I just want to do this for fun. My whole life I've just wanted to have fun, and I was like, I just want to do this for fun. Like, this is way too serious for me, and I actually backed down. And there's a lot of things in life I've never really tried in life. And I mean, I'm sure a lot of you can relate. Like in school, I did terribly, and it's not for any other reason other than I didn't try. I didn't apply myself. I was like not having fun. I didn't see the point. I wasn't excited about it. You know what I mean? Like I just didn't do very well. And that went for a lot of stuff I did. And then this means a lot to me because this is the first thing I've ever done where I tried, and I tried hard, and I enjoyed every second of trying, and I enjoy every second of doing this. And this is the first thing in my entire life that has ever made me want to work towards it every day, all the time. It's the one thing that I can do, and no matter how bad the situation gets, no matter what goes wrong, how many parts we break or how many days an install takes, this makes me incredibly happy. If you guys take anything from that, no matter what situation you're in, no matter how old you are, how young you are, no matter what you're trying to get, anything you're trying to get can be gotten by just staying committed. And when I say stay committed, wow, I'm really dark right now, I'm really sorry about that. And when I say stay committed, it's not some corny, cheesy thing that I put at the end of my videos just to have a line. It's truly what got me here. I made a video like 9 months ago, like I said in the beginning of this, and I said I was gonna stay committed, and I did it, and this is what happened. And it's not just a cheesy line, it's a real thing. And ask anybody that's started something that's hard to achieve, staying committed is real, and you really need to do it. And it's more than just a line at the end of my videos. It's literally something you can live by. So I know a lot of you guys want to know what this means as far as content and as far as for you guys, because going full-time, you see a lot of people do daily uploads and stuff like that. And I just want to tell you right off the hop, I'm not going to tell you guys I'm doing daily uploads, because I find from people I've watched and just experienced, the faster, like the more pressure you put on yourself, because doing daily uploads is pressuring yourself to do content every day. And I do YouTube because it's fun to me and I have fun doing it. And you guys are probably getting driven nuts by this turn signal. I'm just gonna take it off. it's fun to me, and it's not like working, it's actually enjoyable. And people that have gone daily very frequently say it becomes more of a task and less fun. And I don't want that. I don't want to quit my job for something that I loved and then turn out hating it just because, you know, I decided to take on too much of it for me. So I'm not going to do daily uploads. I mean, like I said, I'm not going to tell you guys I'm doing daily uploads. I very well may do daily uploads, but I'm not going to, you know, promise you that. The schedule that we have so far is Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. I'm going to promise you guys 3 videos a week on those days. Now you are probably going to get more videos than that per week because I'm probably going to be working more than 3 days a week. And then any other day that there is content, it'll just go up at 12:30 on that specific day. So I have the website just kind of hidden right now, and I'm doing some work on it. And then October 15th, we're going to be relaunching the website. And on the website, it's going to be stickers. I'd love to tell you guys there's going to be new merch, but right away, there isn't. And the reason being, I started my merch when I was very small on YouTube, and I think I kind of got myself into more than I could handle. And I haven't sold all of it. And I mean, I know, why would you guys buy it now if I'm going to buy more, and then you guys are going to want to buy more later, but I can't bring myself to invest in more merch when people aren't proving that they want the current merch I have bad enough. So, I mean, for now, what I'm going to do is basically just try and sell out of what I have. I'm going to put it at stupidly low cost. I'm basically going to give it to you guys. I'm going to try and clear that out. I'm going to be selling stickers. There's going to be some updates, but like I said, all that will be available October 15th, and I'll bring that to you in a separate video. Yeah, I mean, I think it goes without saying that Emerson deserves a huge thank you, because without his hour, he's given me so many hours. Like the amount of time that he has given me and helped me with this channel, you can't, it's not even worth anything. Like it's so priceless. He's given me so much time, and I can only say thank you to him for that, because he really helps me. And I know we joke around and whatever, but like at the end of the day, like I really couldn't do this without him. And I know you guys know that, but I just need to say that, like, without Emerson, I definitely couldn't have advanced at the speed at which I advanced, that's for sure. And I mean, everybody else that's helped me out through the ways, like Emerson's not alone. Like Courtney deals with me working way more than I should all the time, trying to make my YouTube work and do it after my current job. Like, there's been so much that she's gone through and let me do to get me to this point. On the same side, like Morgan has given Emerson so much leeway and given up so much things for him to spend time with me to be able to do this. And like, there's just so many people that deserve it that I can't even put it all in a video. My little brother's the one that even got me into this. Like, I'm sure he deserves a thank you. Like, without him, you know, I wouldn't have even picked up a camera in the first place. So he started doing YouTube, and it really inspired me, because it's something I had thought of doing for a long time but never done. And you know, Thomas, you deserve a thank you for that. I don't think that I'm in here all alone, like all cocky and thinking that, you know, like I did this all myself, because I definitely didn't. So for now, you can expect to keep seeing the kind of videos you're seeing. I mean, I find it easier to succeed when you're happy, and what I've been doing has been making me happy. So sure, there's gonna be more of it, but I'm not gonna necessarily change what I'm doing. I might start bringing you guys along on more vlogs and stuff like that, but I don't really know for sure. So with that, I'm gonna say thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you and the opportunities you guys bring me. I will catch you guys next time. Remember, this is not a cheesy quote. I don't care what you're doing or how old you are or what you're trying to get, but just think about it. And when you're done and you've gotten what you were trying to get, think about how this worked. Peace out, and stay committed.